Hey everyone, this is Jason here again with Classic Touch Floor Care, and I found another nice sample carpet piece that I'm going to run through the whole process. I'm going to use the pad driver. This is a Rotary machine, a 175 with a pad, and with this is an Ironman Bonnet. It's 100% cotton, very high quality. Check out the loops. Those really get into carpets to help extract dirt and soil. And we're going to be cleaning this extra filthy floor carpet mat, which is a synthetic mat, and we're going to clean it with once again I got my Surround Omega Citrus with the Pro Fresh deodorizer, active film technology protectant, and the T2H in-cap detergent that strips all the dirt and grime and soil out of away from the carpet fibers. So basically when I clean and take a look at this process, the first step is to examine and see I got a couple spots in here, not sure what any of this is. So but that's one of the first things I do with a carpet is examine it. This is obviously dirt. My guess is it's some sort of food, maybe a spilled drink, juice or something, because it came out of my van, and it's, you know, I got kids, so that's probably what happened. So hopefully this will all come out with this. If not, I do have a special spotter that I can use to try and pull those spots out. Now again, this is older carpet. This is from 2007, and you know, we'll just see how good I can clean it with this. The last sample I did was pretty good, but today I'm going to be using the big boy machine right here, and we'll see what some added weight and actually using a pad. This is a Revive pad that is great for scrubbing the carpet fiber, and then an actual Ironman Bonnet right here. So let's get to it. Step one is to spray the solution on the carpet. Just give it a real light mist here. We call this very low moisture method. It's not dry cleaning, it's very low moisture though. And it's called that because you can see I'm just putting a real light mist on the carpet, not soaking it with any kind of water rinse or anything like that. Nothing bad about that. It's just another method. But this is a way that you can get carpets cleaned and not have to worry about soaking them and causing mold or just really long dry times. So, all right, now we're gonna move on. Next step, I'm gonna take my machine here. I'm gonna pause it for a second because I gotta get this bad boy plugged in. So I've got the machine plugged in. We're ready to rock and roll here. When I pull this trigger and the pad starts to rotate, it rotates 360 degrees in 1 second. So that tells you the amount of scrubbing power that that this machine has. And is it safe on carpet? Absolutely. The pad itself is a carpet safe pad. It's softer. This is actually a hog's hair one, so it's really good at using the hog's hair that's embedded in it at scrubbing the dirt and soil out. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this up, and we'll start scrubbing here. So right now I'm just working the machine, working that Surround solution, and you can see already just how much that pad has automatically cleaned out this carpet. All right, so we're going to stop it right there. We're going to pull it off, and then the next step is I'm going to take this pad off, and I'm going to go with the Ironman Bonnet, and we're going to see the kind of dirt and grime that we soak up. All right, so I got it fired up, and you can see that this Ironman Bonnet is going nice and smoothly over the carpet right here, and really that pad did the job. Because I think what we're gonna see after we brush this out is just how smooth and clean this is. See, looks a little bit dirtier on this end. So I might give this an additional spray here, right here. This was dirtier at the start. I think this is where my daughter was sitting in the back of the vehicle. Let's give it a little more just to see if we can't get the rest of that out there. All right, fired it back up. Get this area over here. Okay. That'll do it there. All right, let's take a look at this Ironman bonnet here and see just how much, holy moly. Look at the dirt that was removed out of this floor mat. That's awesome. Now, the very last step is to carpet it or groom it. That just means fix the fibers, make sure that they're all lined up nicely here. So I'm going to plug in my vacuum and we're going to vacuum this here, and then we'll really be able to see the finished product. All right, so you can see right here, if you like those shark's teeth, I put one in there for you. But from top to bottom, left to right, this is 15-year-old carpet remnant. Just how nice a job that Omega Citrus did on cleaning up the fabric and getting everything out. I'm looking in here and I don't even really see anything. So fantastic job. You can imagine what this can do over a whole carpet. So if you want something like this, or if you want the regular steam cleaning, we can do that as well. But just wanted to show you this method because it's a lot of fun, works really well, and you know, this will be dry in probably an hour or two at the latest.